Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Jeju Air's check-in page or app, enter your booking code and last name to pull up the reservation. Once done, confirm passenger name's match ID. That prevents delays at the desk. Next, choose seats and declare checked bags. Paying now saves time and often costs less than airport rates. Make sure to download or save the mobile boarding pass to your phone. This starts the process and gets you to the airport faster. You now handle the detailed options. Pick a seat that fits your needs and check baggage allowances to avoid surprises. Since Jeju Air charges for extras, review the total fee and choose payment method. Paying during online check-in is faster and secures your choices. Once the payment clears, you'll receive an email receipt and updated itinerary. Keep that confirmation visible. It's proof of purchase and confirms your boarding pass will be issued or ready to download. You finish by downloading or printing the boarding pass and confirming flight time and terminal. At the airport, if you have checked luggage, use the bag drop counter, otherwise go straight to security. Allow extra time for international passport control and potential queues. If the app won't issue a boarding pass, recheck passenger data, payment status, and try another device. If that fails, head to the Jeju Air help desk or kiosk. They can reissue the pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.